Make a great choice today with the 2022 Mustang. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, trip computer, compass. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.